a hurricane out there. Of course, these people live right over here, and the surge comes up to 26 to 30 feet. That's going to be it for that. Oh, yeah.
Oh, two of them.
Can't see them too much. Yeah, so this water should be up here soon.
We gotta come back down.
You can hear this all the way to our house. Woo-hoo.
Yeah.
Slamming. Oh, yeah, turtles.
Well,
Let's stick their head out over there. Oh, right on the ass. I fell down.
always gotta be the center of attention.
Me. Tommy. Baboonga. Yeah, that's nice. Was that a turtle up there? Looked like it, huh?
Yes, stick.
Or was that stick? Woohoo! Alright, this might start to be coming a little closer. Seems to be a little closer, huh?
No.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that over there, bro. It's pounding.
Here comes Iselle.
Yeah, salty, crusty windows today for these people. Start to foam up a little bit.
Another stupid.
Ooh, look at this one.
Ooh, look at that one.
Run!
Yeah.
Oh! I won't be able to run too. The floor is slippery inside.
No, you're going that way. You're going on the side.
Woohoo!
And the stick survives. Oh, there's a turtle head. Oh, there. Oh, is
What?
that sticks?
No, rubbish.
Rubbish.
The rubbish survives. Starting to get foamy, so the water is acting up.
Yeah, washing machine. Yeah.
Water gets brown foam. It's starting to act up. I guess the hurricane's another hour or two away, yeah?
Yeah.
Before the main wind hits us.
Yeah. Are we coming back?
Yeah. We gotta come see if this place is still here. See this beautiful place we came. Of course it's empty, so some idiot's been
Yeah, cross glass.
vandalizing everything.
We should homestead it.
Oh no, I ain't living here.
Why? If the waves get too close, we just go upstairs.
Oh hell no. Though you ever seen waves just keep coming and coming? It could take this whole building out, cement and all.
We're gonna come back and see the mat.
Yeah.